What is up, guys? Today I will show you the only one method available for Ninebot Z3 right now in 2026 to unlock the speed, the maximum speed of 35 km per hour. You can unlock on Ninebot Z3 here. So actually that's the only one thing. That's the thing that you connect in your here in between when you mount it together. So actually I already mounted here. That's my second one. And for Ninebot Max G3 it's showing perfect results. So as you see, the maximum speed right now in the sport mode is 35 km per hour, working for any firmware version, any hardware version. So actually right now in August 2026 it's working well. Also, this method is working for ZT3 Pro as well. So Max G3, ZT3 Pro, F3 Pro, for all of this version, these things will be available. The link on this you can find in the description below. As you see, really it's getting fast, so 35 km per hour and get in sport mode. Then you can change to drive mode, so you can get up to 20. Also you can set it up in the settings. And eco mode, it's actually same as before, is 15, 12 even, but also can be set it up. So the most important, sport mode 35, more than enough for Ninebot G3 and others Ninebot scooters right now in 2026. So to order it, you can find the link on AliExpress. Order it, then it's very simple to install it. I will leave link in the description below how to install it on any scooter. And I guess you will realize by yourself, but actually if you need some guidance you can find it as well. Thank you very much for watching, put a thumbs up and see you next time.